friends, welcome to Chickpea Delight with me, Chef Shipra Khanna, and I have got this yummy recipe of stuffed mushroom with chickpeas. So let's get started. और इस रेसिपी के लिए I am using US chickpeas. So first I'll add a little bit of sesame seed oil, cabbage, a little bit of salt. We just need to sweat this. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare the mushrooms. Just lightly pull the stem. That's it. I've already done that. Look at that. So see, these are the stems and I've chopped them. I'm going to use it in the stuffing. So once this is done, I'm going to add mushroom. Then I have some capsicum. A quick mix again. Mashed chickpeas. A spoonful of chili sauce. Cayenne pepper. Soya sauce. A little bit of vinegar. This is our filling for the mushrooms. I'm going to take the mushroom, I'm going to fill it up with this chickpea stuffing, and I'm going to add some cheese on top and replace it here. And then we can just spray it with a little bit of avocado oil. Bake it at 200 degrees for 10 minutes. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to garnish it with a little bit of parsley. And your stuffed mushrooms with yummy chickpeas is ready. You guys tell me what you want me to cook next, and I will choose 3 lucky winners who will get exciting prizes and my new cookbook #HealthUnlimited.